stand before you with a heavy heart. Yet, immense gratitude to celebrate the life of my beloved mother. Feel that guidance on me. My mother was not just my guide and protector, but also my greatest confidant and the dearest friend. To know her was to know unconditional love, unwavering strength, and boundless generosity. She was the foundation of our family, the light that guides us through challenges, and the warmth that brought us together. She was also a trusted and respected jeweler in the industry, a craft she poured her heart and soul into. As a daughter, I was fortunate to share a bond with her that went beyond typical mother-daughter relationship. When I was a teenager, I remember spending countless hours with her, chatting late into the night about my dreams, my fears, and even silly crushes that only a teenager would still matter so much. She listened with patience and offered wisdom without judgment, teaching me how to navigate life with kindness and handle life with strength. Outside our home, my mother was admired to her expertise and integrity in the jewelry business. She had an eye for beauty and detail that would transform a simple piece into something truly special. Her passion, for her work was evident in everything she created. The relationships she built in the industry were the testimony to her character. I often marvel to how she managed to balance her work and family life so seamlessly, giving her all to both. My mother wasn't just a remarkable parent, a skilled jeweler. She was a remarkable human being. She had the way of making everyone around her feel valued and loved. She was the first to offer a helping hand, the first to laugh at life's happenings, and the first to forgive when others stumbled. Her generosity knew no bounds, and her kindness left an unforgettable mark on everyone she met. And now, when we mourn at her absence, I find comfort in knowing that she will be reunited with my daddy in heaven. Their love story was one of devotion and partnership, so I can only imagine the joy they must feel as they reconnect their bond, walking hand in hand once again. As I say goodbye to my mother, I am comforted by the knowledge that her love, wisdom, and kindness will live on me, in my family, and everyone who lives she touched. Mom, thank you for being an extraordinary woman. Both in our lives and in the world, you so beautifully adored. Sorry. Beautifully adored with your talent and spirit. You may no longer walk on earth, but will forever walk beside me in every decision I make, and every challenge I face, and every act of love I share. I love you, and I will miss you every single day. Rest in peace, Mommy. and enjoy eternity with God the Father. You have earned it.